guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making cilantro lime rice in our instant zest. You guys, it's super easy. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed, and if you're interested in any of the items that I used today in the video, be sure to check the description box below. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, but let's go ahead and get right started. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Today we're going to need half a teaspoon of minced garlic. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. It's about a handful, but when you chop it up, it's about 2 tablespoons. You'll also need 2 teaspoons of olive oil and juice of half of a lime. So I used my little OXO juicer. It's so nifty. And 2 cups of water and 1 cup of white rice. So all we're going to do is open up our instant zest. We're going to turn it on, but first we're actually going to do keep warm. And the reason we're doing keep warm is because we're going to add the oil. A little of the oil here. The minced garlic. And the rice. And let's do a closer look. Alright, so all we're going to do is make sure that our rice is completely wet from the oil. Just mixing here. Alright, we're going to allow it to sit for about 10 minutes and we'll be back. Alright, so the 10 minutes is up, so we're going to go ahead and add our water. And our cilantro. And then our lime juice. And mix. Alright, we're going to click cancel. Now we're going to hit white rice, close our lid, and we will be back once it's done. Alright, so we're coming up on the end. I'm going to go ahead and pause it. Just about 33 minutes. The time changes based on volume that we put in there, so that's why I am keeping track of the time. Nice, fluffy rice. We're going to go ahead and mix our cilantro in there because the cilantro floated to the top. And let's get a closer look. Alright, and there we have it. We have our cilantro lime rice. We're going to go ahead and take a bite. That's really good. Make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more instant zest recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. But until next time, you guys have a great night.